Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I've always been fascinated by the ethereal effects of water-activated Elegant Writer ink. I watched a few YouTube tutorials. Okay, I watched a lot of YouTube tutorials. They showed me that I could make beautiful art with Elegant Writer pens, but they didn't show me how I could do it. So I rolled up my sleeves and I got to work. I spent countless hours tirelessly practicing, experimenting, pushing boundaries, and seeking answers to all the questions the tutorials didn't answer. And guess what? Through persistence and dedication, I cracked the code. Now I'm proud and excited to announce my new Skillshare class, Master Elegant Writer Inc. Make a Spooky Haunted Mansion, a class that leaves no stone unturned. In this class, we'll immerse ourselves in a magical world, and together we'll conjure up something truly spine-tingling, a spooky haunted mansion. I'll share all the secrets, techniques, and tips I've unearthed through extensive hours of practice. You'll learn the art of achieving those elusive varied value levels and breathe life into your very own haunted mansion. Here's the best part. You can take my class absolutely free. Just follow the link in the description to claim your free month of Skillshare, a month to explore, learn, and expand your creative horizons with me, and you'll also gain unlimited access to thousands of other Skillshare classes. Let's get started. Click that link, enroll in my class, and we'll embark on this spooktacular creative journey together. I can't wait to see your work in my class and watch your water-activated Elegant Writer ink masterpieces come to life. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. I hope to see you again soon.